Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today's video is a simple unboxing of some really awesome invisible speakers. These are the Nakyamatones, and they make three different kinds or three different levels. And they call it their good, better, best. And this is what they would consider as their best. These are the Ikes. I can't wait. We're going to, in the very near future, we're going to do a video of us making a demo wall installing these, and I think we're going to do another invisible brand of speakers, so we can have an A/B test as a comparison. But we definitely want to do that very soon for you guys. Should be really cool. Building a false wall, probably a 4x8 wall, and building these in here. But anytime you guys are wanting a great sounding speaker, but we get asked the question of what they look like, do we have to see them? I got this beautiful ceiling, this beautiful beams. I really don't want to see speakers everywhere, but yet we want music. And we want good sounding music. And so we have to look for alternatives to be able to do that these days. And so we came across several different brands of invisible speakers, and some are better than others, and that's why we want to do an A/B test for you guys. We have the Sonance invisible speakers that we did an unboxing of, and we'll be doing installing those in the same wall that we installed these, so we can use the same amplifiers and demo them back and forth. So now one really nice thing about these is that the three levels that you get, this being the Ike, which is the highest level that they make, they're all exactly the same size. What changes is the cabinet. And so being this the highest one, this is anodized aluminum enclosure. So they control the exact box that's built behind the speaker. And then another huge difference, as you can see guys, is it's a paper composite material right here that's going to be flush with your sheetrock that you'll mud over and texture and all that kind of stuff. But there's no drivers. So typically your other speakers, invisible speakers, have drivers. These do not. So they control the space by making the enclosure so you don't have any sound protruding going the other direction in an open, like the one from Sonance, you had to have an extra back box added. If you have any kind of adjacent walls or rooms behind it where you didn't want sound to go the other direction, these all three levels have these already on it. You just get a better and better enclosure, allowing for higher performance from the speaker. These actually will play up to 106 dB, so they can actually play loud. As you can see here on the bottom, this is where your two conductor goes in. And then you have these screw points, which when you put them against your sheetrock, those will screw into those, and then we'll tape and mud and everything. And again, guys, we're going to do a demo video. We'll probably do a demo installation video first, paint the wall, all the good stuff, and then we'll do the actual demo. Hopefully the demo will come across well on video, but hopefully that does. So we'll be doing that in the near future. But talk about a great solution. Now, the nice thing about invisible speakers is, again, you're not seeing a huge 6.5, 8-inch or so speaker in the ceiling. You're not, putting something that could possibly take away from the decor. But the one thing you get with an invisible speaker, especially the Nakyamatones, is the wide dispersion, 180 degree dispersion. So it doesn't necessarily matter as far as exact placement, whether you're doing them in wall or in ceiling, because of such wide dispersion. And because it's not like a typical speaker where you have actual drivers, it's a full range speaker. And so you're going to be impressed with the sound, I promise you guys. And I can't wait to show you guys when we get this thing installed. So now, of course, it comes with a few things. You got different size spacers to put on each side, depending on the type of or thickness of your sheetrock, if it's 1/2 inch, 5/8, and so forth. And so each piece has an actual number on it. You know, we got the 5/16 space, 1/8, quarter. So depending on the material, you know, make sure that this is exactly flush with the front. So again, guys, anytime that you want great performing speakers, but don't necessarily want to see a speaker, this is where this comes into play. So this is not trying to take the place of any of your traditional speakers per se, but if you have a certain room or an area that you really want great sound, but don't want to see the speakers so much, this is a great solution. And so because there's 3 levels, you have a background level, you know, type speaker that still sounds great, won't play nearly as loud, and then you have, you know, a mid-level that's going to be able to play even louder, and still sound great, and then you have their top-end level like this that can play up to 160 dB and sound phenomenal. So, being that said, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Hope you guys like this short little video. Can't wait to show you guys installing these in our demo wall. We're gonna get that going real soon, hopefully next week, and then start A/B testing them with different types of music, with 2 different types of amplifiers, from a Sonos amp to a much nicer amp, giving you the 2 types of performance with a higher end speaker. So, until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.